Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Velour Lashes is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products on the market right now, and for good reason. These luxurious, handcrafted lashes are designed to elevate any makeup look, offering a natural yet dramatic effect that's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. With a wide variety of styles to choose from, Velour Lashes caters to every preference, ensuring you can find the perfect pair to enhance your natural beauty and make your eyes pop. Number 5. DYSILK 6D Faux Mink Fluffy Lashes. Introducing our latest collection of faux mink lashes. Get ready for an incredibly fluffy and natural look that enhances your eyes beautifully. These lashes are designed to mimic the appearance of professional lash extensions. Enjoy a wispy, full look without the commitment. Each pack contains 5 pairs of high-quality strip lashes. You'll have plenty to switch between for any occasion. Despite their full appearance, these lashes are surprisingly lightweight. You'll barely feel them, ensuring all-day comfort. Applying them is a breeze, perfect for both makeup beginners and experts. Achieve a stunning eye look in minutes. Achieve that sought-after wispy effect that adds depth and allure to your gaze. They blend seamlessly with your natural lashes. What we like? These offer incredible volume and a dramatic flair. If you love a bold, eye-catching look and want lashes that mimic professional extensions, these are your go-to. They are perfect for special occasions or when you want to make a statement. What people say. The band is thin and flexible, which made them super easy to apply. They're lightweight, comfortable, and gave me that soft glam but still bold look without feeling heavy on my eyes. The lashes are fluffy, well-shaped, and reusable with proper care. They blended perfectly with my natural lashes. These lashes are top quality, nice length, lots of volume, and the style of the lash really makes them unique. Number 4. USDA Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum. Discover the power of nature for your lashes. Our USDA Organic Castor Oil is a premium, all-natural solution for enhancing your lash growth. Experience the benefits of cold-pressed castor oil, carefully formulated to nourish and condition your lashes. It's the pure treatment your lashes deserve. Achieve the thicker, fuller lashes you've always desired. This potent serum works to promote visible growth and volume, naturally. Application is a breeze with the included mascara tube. Effortlessly integrate this lash treatment into your daily beauty routine for optimal results. More than just a growth serum, it deeply nourishes and conditions each lash. Say goodbye to brittle lashes and hello to strength and shine. Rest assured with USDA organic certification, guaranteeing a pure and effective product. It's the natural choice for beautiful, healthy lashes. What we like? This is a treatment designed to enhance your natural lashes. If you're looking to achieve longer, thicker lashes over time without extensions or falsies, this organic serum is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those seeking a natural enhancement and healthier lash growth. What people say. My eyelashes were so sparse and broken after eyelash extensions, this was amazing to grow them back. Super thick and no eyelashes irritation. The packaging and convenience of carrying it around like a mascara tube is really nice. This oil helps your lashes lengthen and healthier. When applied, it will take about a minute to become a bit tacky, then fully dry within 30 minutes. Number 3. Onlyall Natural Lashes D1 Natural. Discover the allure of natural beauty with our wispy false eyelashes. They are designed to enhance your eyes subtly and elegantly. Enjoy the incredibly soft and fluffy texture that mimics real lashes. You'll forget you're even wearing them. Achieve a flawless, natural look with ease. These are perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Designed for ultimate comfort, their lightweight feel ensures you can wear them all day without any irritation. Get a value pack of 7 pairs, offering versatility for different looks and ensuring you always have a fresh pair ready. The natural lengths, ranging from 6 to 13 millimeters, provide a realistic enhancement that complements your natural eye shape. What we like? These provide a beautifully natural and wispy appearance. If you prefer a subtle enhancement that adds just the right amount of volume and texture without looking overly dramatic, these are perfect for you. They are great for everyday wear and a soft, fluttery effect. What people say. The lashes are super soft and fluffy, and they look very natural. They are easy to apply and remove, and they don't irritate my eyes. I love how lightweight these lashes are, I can barely feel them on. Number 2. KD 292 Natural Mink False Eyelashes. Discover the effortless beauty of our natural-looking false eyelashes. Achieve a subtle yet captivating enhancement for your eyes. Crafted from soft mink, these lashes offer a wispy texture that blends seamlessly with your own. Enjoy a comfortable and lightweight feel all day long. Enhance your natural eye shape with a delicate cat eye effect. These lashes provide a touch of allure without looking overdone. Designed for easy application, you can achieve a flawless finish in minutes. Perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Elevate your look with these stunning false lashes. They are the perfect addition to any makeup routine for a touch of everyday glamour. What we like. Experience the luxurious feel of mink with a natural, wispy finish. If you desire a sophisticated cat eye shape and a natural look that's incredibly lightweight and comfortable, these are a fantastic option. They are suitable for those who want a touch of elegance for any occasion. What people say. The strip themselves are super thin, which makes the lash light and comfortable when blinking. I love that these lashes had so much volume. The band is clear and the lashes have a curl to them, so they will look even more natural. Number 1. Lilac Saint Original Starter Kit. Achieve a naturally beautiful look with our starter kit. It includes everything you need for stunning, lightweight lashes. Choose between 10mm and 12mm clusters to customize your lash look. Get the perfect length for any occasion. Enjoy beautiful lashes that last up to 10 days. Our formula ensures a secure and comfortable hold. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is cruelty-free and vegan, made with your well-being in mind. The kit comes complete with clear lash glue and an applicator for easy application. Everything you need is right here. Experience lashes that feel as natural as your own. They are incredibly lightweight and blend seamlessly. What we like. This starter kit offers a convenient way to achieve a full lash look at home. If you're looking for a customizable, longer-lasting lash solution that's also ethical, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for those who want the flexibility to create their own lash style and enjoy results that last. What people say. The set comes with a mix of 10mm and 12mm lash clusters, clear glue, and a lash applicator, basically everything you need to start a DIY lash routine at home with minimal fuss. The lashes feel super lightweight and honestly look like your own lashes, but better, none of that dramatic stage mom vibe unless you want it. They can be hard to get off the packaging but easy fix. Use some rubbing alcohol with a Q-tip to release the lash cluster right where it is glued on the packaging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.